Bunbury, WA. I'm not saying you can camp there, but are you looking for a quiet spot for a picnic and a little bit of a stopover and a rest on the way down south? Stick around and I'll show you where I am. Hi and welcome to my channel, or hi, how you going if you've been here before and you're just catching up on the latest video. This one is a spot down in Bunbury. It's the Cut, and from Perth it's only a couple of hours drive if you're heading south, and further on down to the southwest come down the Forest Highway, which is fairly quick to get down there. This is out around the wharf area and you can follow the road around there. Just watch out, there are quite a few trucks moving in and out from the wharf, but it's a beautiful spot. You can come around through here, there's a little boat ramp and you can drive right out to the end of the rocks at the Cut there. There's a bit of a four-wheel drive track there, just to get down onto the beach by the look of it. I haven't actually driven that one, but you can walk down to the beach in a couple of minutes, and it's quite protected when it's a nice day, and there's always people there with the kids, so that is a nice spot. Fishing's great through here. You'll get a lot of dolphins come through, but I've caught a number of Tailor through here and skippy out just out in the entrance. As you come around, there's a bit of a road or parking area that runs around into the estuary. Only goes around for a short distance, but there's some nice shady trees there and a bit of grass if you want to pull over. I'm not saying that you can park there and camp there overnight, but I've never seen any signs that say you can't, so you'd have to take it on faith, I think. But I do see a lot of RVs camped under the trees there, so as I say, it's a nice spot. It's just a nice place to sit and relax and watch the boats go by. If you have got a kayak, it's well worth going there. Put the boat in there and you can go out into the estuary, and there's some sand flats and things like that. Just watch it when the tide is running in and out, because it can speed up a little bit. So if you've got little kiddies, make sure that they're well supervised. Well, that's this little spot. Call it a picnic spot for now. Thanks for watching and keep the shiny side up. Catch you on the next video.